Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning. Good Friday morning to you. We've got a busy weekend ahead. If you're in the south central part of Nebraska and Hastings area in particular here, we've got a busy weekend with the Oregon Trail Rodeo going on this weekend, as well as Kool-Aid Days. They both kick off today. Plenty of heat ahead of us. That said, while the heat's the big story, there have been some showers and storms. Now, as of the time of this recording, it's basically moving into Wheeler County right here and moving eastward towards Neely. So it's a little farther south of what's showing up here, but we're also seeing some new development near the Imperial area. So right in here, we're going to keep an eye on this area here, as there could be some isolated hit or miss showers and thunderstorms right in here. It's a low chance, but it is a chance. Farther south and southeast, you probably will stay dry, a little more sunshine, breezy south winds. Then we focus on the Panhandle and then northern Nebraska tonight for a chance of additional showers and thunderstorms. Most of us will stay dry. It's going to be a warm night ahead of us, probably a little breezy as well. Tomorrow, another very toasty day out there, mostly dry, few clouds around, a little on the breezy side. We'll focus once again to the west for thunderstorms. This time they might sneak a little farther eastward. So these areas here would have a chance of some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday night through early on Sunday morning. Severe weather-wise, the Storm Prediction Center highlighting the Panhandle and then far northern Nebraska with a low-end chance of isolated severe storms for wind and hail. Not a great chance. Most of us will not see severe weather. But again, maybe some general thunderstorms. Even this morning, right in here, we may see a few thunder showers out there. Tomorrow night, that chance sneaks just a little farther southeast to include areas like North Platte, Broken Bow to O'Neill here. So watch for some isolated strong to severe storms as we get into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night in those spots. Sunday, again, it's mostly northern Nebraska that we would watch for a chance of isolated strong to severe storms. So our chances are not great over the next several days here of severe weather, but there will be small chances. Meanwhile, a heat advisory in place this afternoon through early this evening over a large part of our area where heat index values of 100 to 105 will be pretty common, maybe even a little higher in eastern Nebraska. Now tomorrow, eastern Nebraska may be 105 to 110 in some spots, especially northeast Nebraska. So there's going to be a heat advisory again in place tomorrow in these locations here. Here's a look at our future heat index product, again getting up to around 100 to 105 in many locations this afternoon, not quite as high to the northwest, and that's why there's no heat advisory in some of those spots there. And then tomorrow, again, eastern Nebraska will once again see heat index values 100 to 105. I would not rule out 105 to 110 right in here along the Missouri River. Some of these places tend to get a little higher than expected. Actual temperatures today, 90s and maybe even lower 100s, near 90 in O'Neill with those extra clouds this morning. Let's take a closer look at some of the area here. We'll go 93 later today in Stapleton. 94 Mullen, but again, and I haven't even mentioned this on the recording actually, but Mullen got up to 101 degrees this morning due to a heat burst. So they actually had a high temperature earlier, but their afternoon high in the mid-90s. 91 around Taylor and Burwell where showers and storms are exiting this morning. A low-end chance, watch again, a low-end chance of thunderstorms right in here. Down to the southwest, here's your hottest temperatures, of course, drier here because it can heat up more. 101, pretty common there on Cambridge, Trenton, McCook. Mid to upper 90s elsewhere here, maybe near 100 in Phillipsburg, Kansas. Southeast areas. Low 90s around David City, 93 Osceola, 95 in Geneva, 96 Hebron, 97 and 98 right here in places like Belleville, Red Cloud, Superior, Mankato, Kansas, 94 in St. Paul and Aurora, Central City. Upper 80s and lower 90s, again, maybe a low-end chance of additional thunder showers this morning right in here. We'll go upper 80s and low 90s, including 91 in Albion, 90 in Norfolk, Neely, and in O'Neill. So tonight then we fall back only into the mid to upper 60s, low to mid 70s, another very mild night ahead, and more heat tomorrow, 90s, maybe some 100 degree heat in the southwest. Once again, a very warm night, mid to upper 60s and low to mid 70s tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Sunday, still hot but not as hot, low to mid 90s, so no heat advisories out for Sunday because it won't be as bad out there, but still toasty. 60s and low 70s, maybe still some mid 70s out east on Sunday night and a Monday morning, and Monday still quite warm. Low and mid 90s again with some upper 90s in southwest Nebraska. So we're really not cooling off very much next week. It's still going to be pretty toasty right into the first half of next week. Small cool down by Wednesday, Thursday. Small chances of thunderstorms Sunday night, Monday night, and Tuesday night. Then we kind of dry things out, and we will see a bigger cool down, hopefully anyway, as we get towards next weekend. The first weekend of the Nebraska State Fair shows the potential for maybe temperatures dropping off below average for the latter portions of August. North Platte's going to be mostly in the 90s over the next several days to come. Small chance of thunderstorms Saturday evening, Sunday evening, Monday evening, Tuesday evening. Tuesday night, maybe a slightly better chance there, but we're still looking at lots of 90s with that bit of a cool down coming in. Hopefully, anyway, as we get towards the end of next week into next weekend. Well, there's a look at your forecast for today. I want to thank you all for watching. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you all again on Monday. Take care, and God bless. Bye.